So for this project, you will need 4 pieces of 1-inch PVC that is 4 inches long. You'll also need 3 pieces that are 5 inches long and 2 pieces that are 3 inches long. You will also be needing 3 1-inch T adapters, 6 90-degree elbows for 1-inch PVC, 3 1-inch PVC to 1-inch threaded, and about 5 to 7 feet depending on how accurate you are with the measuring and cutting of 1-inch PVC for the barrels and the connections that you will need to create said barrel. You will also need about 2 feet of 4-inch PVC, only a few inches of 3-inch, and again only a few inches of 2-inch. Those are just to get from one adapter to the next. So the adapters you will need are a 4-inch to 3-inch, a 3-inch to 2-inch, a 2-inch to 1/2 inch, and then you will need one of those bushings for 1/2 inch to 1-inch threaded. And as I said, you will be needing the 3 1-inch threaded to 1-inch, and you will just put one of those into the bushing, and from there you'll have your 1-inch threaded attachment that you can use. You will also want one of the half PVC, the ones that snap onto another piece, 1-inch to 3/4 inch threaded, and then a small piece of 3/4 inch PVC. Non-PVC things that you will need for this project are one of the air valves that you would see on a bike. You will also want 9-bolt to just the wire connections, 9-bolt batteries, and PVC cement, and a PSI. So now I have just finished attaching this valve for the bike, and now I'm just going to, I'm actually going to but I'm just going to prime and cement right now everything, the barrel together. And then I'm going to prime and cement the actual air canister tomorrow, as well as I will probably, I think that's what I'll do. I'll just finish this today, finish that tomorrow, and then I'll see what I do from there. So yeah, I guess I'll get started on this. These 2 parts done, it's a new day already, and so I still need to attach the rest of these to attach to the barrel in the other side of the solenoid to shoot off air. So I'm going to do that, and then after that I'm going to start building the main part of the cannon, which is going to be the air container, as well as I just got the net in, and I got some of the 9-bolt connector. So we're going to be putting together the net, and we're also going to be putting together the trigger mechanism. So I will get back to you whenever I finish up with the barrel. So essentially, this is now what we have for the barrel. Alright, trying to get it in frame. Okay, so essentially this is what we have. It's a 4-barrel attachment now with a threaded end, so that we can thread it into the sprinkler solenoid, and that's how we're gonna have modular barrels in this system. So now I'm gonna start working on the compressed air part of the project, the canister. You might be able to see that these aren't perfectly aligned forwards. It's okay. We're gonna put the barrels in there, and then we're gonna use a heat gun to heat them up and curve them up, so that the net flies in a little bit of an arc. So that's not the end of the world right now either. So I'm just going to start working on the canister, and I'll get back to you once I have finished that. Alright, so far I have finished the main assembly of the container that will hold all the compressed air. That's just the back plate, the 24 inches of 4-inch PVC, and the adapter to 3-inch, some 3-inch PVC connecting to the 3 to 2-inch, some 2-inch PVC connecting to the 2 to 1/2 inch, and this 1/2 inch to 1-inch threaded. Then tomorrow I'm just going to finish this up with the 1-inch threaded, a length of 1-inch PVC, another 1-inch threaded to attach to the solenoid, and then I will attach another one of those 1-inch threaded, which is already on the barrel. Right, then I'll just attach the barrel to the solenoid, and then after that I just need to put the 4 barrels into each one of these and use the heat gun to shape them into the direction that I want them so that the net spreads out, as well as tomorrow I will finish the trigger mechanism. So today's the last day that I will be, probably the last day that I'll be working on this project. Now we have the whole entire container for the air, for the compressed air, almost finished. And we have most of the barrel finished. I just need to add the last 4 segments. We also have the handle portion that I need to glue this part on, and we'll have that finished for the most part as well. And the solenoid. So the way this will attach is this handle portion will go into the compressed tank, and then the solenoid will screw on. And then on the other side of the solenoid, there's another threaded attachment. And so there we'll attach a threaded portion of the net gun barrel. So I'm going to attach all of that, put on the 4 barrels, and then as well as maybe attach this, but I might do it later because I want to get a shot out of it and see how it works first. And then I'm going to attach the trigger mechanism, which consists of a couple connectors, the 9-volt batteries, and a button, and then the wires on the solenoid on the top. I will also today be finishing the ammo, which is really simple. It's just wooden dowel with the screw sticking out of it, a portion, a little bit, and then that will be attached with a zip tie to one of the corners of the net. And I'll just have 4 of those, and maybe put some electrical tape around it, and that should be the entire barrel. I mean, not barrel, sorry, the entire net. The attachment and the net. actually 8. So I need 8 inches there. So I have so now I have the 4 barrel segments, and so I'm just gonna simply prime and then cement. So I have finished gluing on the barrels. One mistake I made was when I was putting together the fittings for the barrel. You can see they're all going together instead of spreading out. I accidentally threw them in backwards. So now I'm just going to quickly just use the heat gun to heat up these right here, the connections around right here, and bend them so that they're all spreading outwards and spread the net once they fire. But we're essentially done with the net gun, and we only need one power tool, which is the drill, and hopefully you have a drill, because that's the only power tool you will need. If you don't have a drill, I guess you could also use the same thing, heat up the drill bit, and just try to melt the PVC away. But if you want to speed this process up, just use the drill. And if you didn't strip or hydrant, that's the only power tool you will need. You will also need to cut the PVC, but you can just use a hand saw for that. So now I'm just going to heat the barrels up and bend them, and then I'm going to assemble the trigger mechanism and also make the ammunition. So now, as you can see, it is more spread out and going. So now I'm just going to start assembling the trigger mechanism. It's really simple. I'm going to melt a small hole in this handle that we made. See that? Melt the hole there. And put the button in there. And then wire to the bottom, I guess. These little connectors. Or I could, this is why I left this not because I can put them through the top and screw them in. So I might do that as well. So like I checked, the 9-volt batteries perfectly fit right here. There's 3 of them, one here, 2 like this, and then the 9-volt battery connectors coming out, and they're going to go inside of the handle. So I have made 3 holes in the handle, and I got some hot glue, so I'm just quickly attach all that. So the 3 holes are for the 2 wires, and then also for the 1 button. So I have now finished assembling all that. You can see it's a little messy, but I'll clean that all up afterwards. There's a hole on this side, as well as a hole on that side, and the hole that's attached to and hot glued on. And you can see that's the whole entire trigger assembly. So now I'm just going to make the ammunition, and we'll be ready to shoot. So right now, while the trigger mechanism is drying, I'm just making the ammunition. So this is just a 1-inch piece of wooden dowel that's 3 inches long and 1 inch wooden dowel, like I said. And it's just an eye screw drilled into there. And I'm just making a hole with a drill. So while I'm doing that, I just put the eye screw like that, and I just screw it like that, and I just screw it in. This is that, and here's another one. I'm going to put a band of electrical tape around them to create more than a airtight seal whenever I put them down the barrel. Go. Again. Doesn't matter if it's centered or not. Well, just a little bit. Like okay. It's not perfectly centered. Mine are not. Again, I wanted to make the barrels longer, but I ran out of PVC. So I might later on just chop it off right here, put another 90-degree elbow, and put a longer barrel, maybe a foot long on each one, but I'm not sure. Okay, so I finished all 4 of the wooden dowel ammunitions. So I'm just gonna, it's a pretty tight seal since it's 1 inch and that's 1 inch PVC. So I'm gonna get our net out. I'm just gonna zip tie the dowels to the corner of the net. Here's the net gun all fully made and functional with a net loaded in. And so I'm just going to demonstrate how to fire it. So you just put it on your shoulder or hold it down like this. And then you just press this little button. And you just down and you're just going to fire it for reference. And that's how you fire it. You just press that button. Now I'm going to go lower the hand. Pull it up. Maybe 60 psi. Show you. You can see it just kind of piled and hangs down a bit. I need to fix that, but here's how it functions. You take it, you just hold it like this. And you can see it opened in flight and then closed, and it flew a good maybe